My name is Jacques. I'm originally from France. I practice, studied, and I live in London. So I studied sports science and nutrition, sports deep tissue and remedial, and I went to Thailand and studied Thai yoga massage. But I've learned a lot and a great deal by receiving some amazing massage and trying to understand and reciprocate what I've received onto the body. Reciprocating with the sense of what you're receiving is very powerful. And you can see here how important this connection is within the body in different motion. We're going to work with liquid wax and balm, which are natural products. The reason I prefer to work with wax rather than oil, if you imagine the few layers, we've got the skin, we've got the superficial fascia, we've got another layer, the deep fascia, and then the muscle. There's quite a lot of layers you have to go through in order to get to the muscle. What I find is with oil, with skin, with the wax, we've got more grip. While the table is the right side, you can actually work with the weight of your body, which gives you much more connection because it allows you to actually move with the floor. So, yeah, okay, here we go. Yeah. Yeah, and now feel the body. Okay.